If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on Paytm, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause payment failures. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Update the Paytm app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Paytm app. Go to your device's app store, search for Paytm, and update the app if a new version is available. This can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Verify payment details. Double-check the payment details you entered, such as the recipient's number, amount, and any other required information. Incorrect details can lead to payment failures. Step 4. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve issues. Go to your device's settings, find the Paytm app, and select the option to clear cache. This can help refresh the app and fix any glitches. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment issues on Paytm quickly. If problems continue, keep in touch with customer support for more help.